time for us to enhance our feature. You see, we built a view in which our search bar is going to live. But that we can't really fill anything into this. It's kind of just a static view. What we need is a package, and all these packages come with a purpose, and they make our development easier. As we use more and more of these packages, things are going to be more and more easier for us. The package we are going to be using is called React Native Paper, which is used in industry, and it has a lot of the components we will need for our project predefined, so we don't need to reinvent the wheel and build or create these components from scratch. We can just get them from our React Native Paper. How awesome is that? Well, let's get started by installing React Native Paper. We copy the code yarn add React Native Paper and go to our VS Code terminal and put it in there and press enter. As you can notice, I've done this already. Now, by doing this installation, we will find React Native Paper in our package.json file, which means we now have the ability to use React Native Paper. And that's awesome, right? Well, now what do we want from React Native Paper? We want a search bar. Okay, a search bar. So we go to components and go through the components we have available. And oh, there is a search bar component. Yay! Search bar is a simple input box where users can type search queries. So now, this is going to be the exercise. Implement the search bar from React Native Paper in the view where we put the green search field. Let's get through that. And as a bonus tip, you can go through the usage to learn how this search bar is used in React Native. See you in the next episode for my solution to this.